cartoon and it said, all I know is that this was an ad that if you pet dogs, you get views and subscribes. So where's the dog? Oh, doggy dog. This is my dog. He's a fat, cute, little dog. So can I get lots of views and lots of likes, lots of subscribes? Please? If this is how it works in a video game, this is how it should work in real life. Just pet dogs, and you get views and subscribes. If you make the dog stretch, you get even more. And if you get the dog... No, never mind. Don't get the dog to lay down. If you scratch the dog's chin, you get extra points. And if you get the dog to roll over by scratching him, then you win. I can't seem to get this fat dog to do that though. Hold on, guys. Please, lots of likes and subscribes. Hit for about 15 likes, please. This is what it takes, and this is what I will do. Little dog. Oh yeah, if you put clothes on the dog, you get even more views, likes, and subscribes. He has his bow tie on. Does that make him any cooler? Lay down. Lay down. Yes, I win, guys. I got the dog to lay down. So guys, it's going to be a short video, but please, lots of likes and subscribe. Beep, 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 beep. You see that leg? So